Well, it's 106 on Sunday the 30th, I think. 31st maybe. And just heading out. A little bit of haze by the shore, but it looks clear out in the lake. Waves are pretty calm, less than 1 foot. Hopefully it'll be a nice sail. Well, it's 122. Got the sails up. Doing about 3.5 knots. Winds are supposed to pick up a little bit. We should have the Ginny up, but they're going to be picking up to the 10 to 15 knot range supposedly later this afternoon. So we'll just go slow for a little bit until the winds pick up. It's about 1:30. Doing about 5.5 knots. Winds picked up nicely. Got quite a few sailboats out today. This is unusual for Waukegan. I guess it's a holiday weekend. Everybody's trying to get their sails in. Too windy to go sailing yesterday. Winds were gusting to 35 knots. So everybody's out today. Bit of fog by the shore, but it's pretty clear once you get out half a mile or so. Well, number 3, right outside Waukegan. Sitting on the leeward side, kind of low in the water here, doing about 5.3 knots. Got the occasional rail in the water for brief spurts, one time anyway. Nice day sailing. we tack, heading back towards Waukegan. On a beam reach at this point. Going about 4.8, 5 knots. I decided to sail a little bit closer towards the south so it could be close hauled. I enjoy that a little bit more than that beam reach stuff. about 3:30. Changed course slightly. We're now on a Broad Reach, doing about 4.5 knots still, headed towards Waukegan. About 4 miles. See how fast we get in there. Should be about an hour. And if we got a little bit more time, maybe we'll head north or south, and stay a little bit longer. We'll see. Great day so far. Well, it's 4 o'clock. Just changed course. Heading a little bit further south of the marina. Kind of early, kind of too early to go back in. So we set a close halt course. Going about 4.2 knots. We'll do this for a while. Well, it's 4:30. We're about 3/4 of a mile from the marina entrance. And wind seems to have died down significantly. We're doing about between a half and 1 knot. I think we get up to 1 knot on the downhill side of a slight 1-foot wave. Oh, we might have to call it a day. Well, it's 4:55. Got the sails down. We're about 1/4 of a mile from the marina entrance. Wind has died down most to just a couple knots. We weren't moving very fast. Kind of boring. So, head in. Looks like everybody else is doing the same thing. That's 5:15. Got everything buttoned up. Wind died down completely.